Hey everybody, it's Dowden. In this video, I'm going to show you a really quick and easy way to make your kicks more punchy. It can help your kick cut through the mix a little bit more, having a punchy kick. Let's go ahead and jump in and figure out how to do this. So I have two kick drums here. I have this one from my sample pack and one from a Mirrors Techno sample pack. I'm going to open up my simpler and I'm going to go into the controls. When I go into the controls, there is a pitch envelope. I'm going to click on that. What I'm going to do is very quickly rise the pitch of that kick drum 1 octave. And then over just 100 milliseconds, it's going to drop back down to the original pitch. This is going to make the kick feel more punchy. So I go to the amount, push it up by 12 semitones. And I'm going to change my decay down to about 100. Give or take 20 to 30 milliseconds, around 100, and we'll take a listen with and without the pitch envelope on. So you can hear with the pitch envelope on, it feels a little bit cleaner. Let's grab an EQ and take a listen to the difference without the low end. Punchier, it's cleaner. Let's try it on the second example. Go into the simpler, controls, pitch envelope, decay around 100, and up by 12. Again, we'll take out the low end with the EQ. So by bringing up that octave for a short amount of time, it sounds a little bit cleaner and a little bit punchier, and that's what I'm trying to achieve. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to get more videos like this one, and if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up.